Guys, this is my Mac Mini and today I'm going to show you how to connect it to this monitor over here. So this is my Mac Mini. It is an M4 Mac Mini. The memory is 256 GB with 16 GB of RAM. And on the front you can see we have two USB-C ports with one 3.5 mm jack. And at the back you can see we have power, we have Ethernet, we have HDMI and three USB Type-C ports. And we have three USB Type-C ports, which in this case are Thunderbolt ports. So that is great. But let me tell you how to connect this to that. Let's get started. So as I said, it comes with an HDMI port. So we are going to use HDMI. Before that, we also want to power it. So we are going to connect the power cable over here and let's get started. Before I connect power to it, I'm going to show you how to connect the HDMI. So this is the HDMI cable I have and we are just going to plug it in like so. And you will also find an HDMI cable most probably on any monitor that you want to use. So I will show you that as well. So I have connected the Mac Mini through HDMI to my monitor. Do note that I have connected my keyboard and my mouse, which are also wired with a USB-C hub, which I have just used one of the Type-C ports at the back. So let's get it started. So annoyingly, Mac Mini's power button is at the bottom. So just do that as well. So as soon as I hit the power button, the LED lights up telling me that the Mac Mini has powered up. And as you can see, my RGB light, very cool as it looks, and the RGB mouse as well has powered up. So there we go. Very easily through HDMI, I have now connected my monitor to the Mac Mini. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have, do drop a like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.